You're looking right at the camera, aren't you, Julian?
Yeah,
There's no light on it, is there?
That's his only
Uh-oh. Hiccups.
skill.
Look at you.
He's so spaced now.
Say hi. Hello.
What do you think of this other baby, Julian?
He's like, she keeps knocking me in the face.
Well, he's calmer now than he was over there.
Oh. Titus, what do you think? Oh, you're just throwing the stuff out. Titus is. And there's Titus. Both my kids are naked from the waist down.
Oh, that's funny.
But that doesn't say much about it. I hope that doesn't reflect. No, that's not how I am. I don't walk around half
naked.
For some reason, they just like to be like that.
Oh man, that's so funny.
Ooh, there's almost a sound.
Yeah, a friend of mine was telling me, like, I was like, do people